What are those? Did Santa come?
Yeah.
Look, Santa left his hat.
Look, he even left his hat. Look.
Open the present. Let's open this one. Look it out.
Take the baby. Did you take the baby?
What's that?
Let's just check this side.
Who's that for?
Logan. Logan, pick up the crane and pull it out. See, I'm gonna open it.
What do you have in front of you too? Look.
Logan, look at the other presents. Get off of it, please. You're going to break it. Look it. What else is there? Those are all for you.
Later.